Welcome back to TEDed Health. Today, we'll talk about a critical topic in women's health, ectopic pregnancy. This condition, while relatively rare, requires urgent medical attention. Let's dive into what it is, why it happens, and how it's treated. What is an ectopic pregnancy? An ectopic pregnancy occurs when a fertilized egg implants outside the uterus where it's supposed to grow. In most cases, this happens in the fallopian tubes, but it can also occur in the cervix, ovaries, or even the abdominal cavity. Unfortunately, an ectopic pregnancy cannot result in a viable baby and can pose severe health risks to the mother. In a normal pregnancy, the fertilized egg travels down the fallopian tube and implants in the uterine lining. However, in an ectopic pregnancy, this journey is interrupted, and the egg implants in an area that cannot support its growth. Several factors can increase the risk, including previous ectopic pregnancy. Having had one increases the likelihood of another. Pelvic inflammatory disease, PID infections like chlamydia or gonorrhea can damage the fallopian tubes. Surgery, tubal or abdominal surgeries may create scarring. Smoking, this can interfere with the function of the fallopian tubes. Fertility treatments, certain assisted reproductive techniques may slightly raise the risk. That said, ectopic pregnancies can also happen without any identifiable risk factors. The symptoms of an ectopic pregnancy often mimic those of a normal early pregnancy, like missed periods, nausea, and breast tenderness. But there are red flags to watch out for. Sharp abdominal or pelvic pain, often on one side. Vaginal bleeding that may be lighter or heavier than usual. Dizziness or fainting, which could signal internal bleeding. Shoulder pain, a potential sign of referred pain from bleeding irritating the diaphragm. If you experience any of these symptoms, don't wait, seek immediate medical care. Diagnosis and treatment. How is an ectopic pregnancy diagnosed? Doctors use ultrasounds to locate the pregnancy. Blood tests to measure HCG levels, which may be lower than expected in an ectopic pregnancy. Treatment depends on how far along the pregnancy is and the severity of the condition. 1. Medication. If caught early, a drug like methotrexate can stop the growth of the pregnancy. 2. Surgery. If the pregnancy has caused damage or if medication isn't an option, surgery may be necessary to remove the ectopic tissue. In severe cases, part or all of the fallopian tube may need to be removed. An ectopic pregnancy can be emotionally and physically challenging. It's essential to prioritize recovery. Follow-up care, regular checkups to ensure HCG levels return to normal. Support, seek emotional support from loved ones, counselors, or support groups. Future planning, talk to your doctor about options for future pregnancies. Remember, an ectopic pregnancy doesn't mean you can't have a healthy pregnancy in the future. With the right care, many women go on to have successful pregnancies. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. If you found this information helpful, share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on TEDed Health for more essential health insights. See you next time.